It's the year 3000. Martians and humans are racing to colonise a planet, soon to be known as EM28. Not perfect, but then few places are. EM28 has violent dust storms. It was at 900 hours when a team of workers involved in deforestation, haven't they learnt anything, was suddenly threatened by a dust storm. Immediately they called for their radio-controlled vehicle. Unlucky, a sudden bolt of lightning and their high-tech vehicle is unusable. Their first reaction is to run, knowing there is an escape hatch across the river with safe accommodation underground. A logboat. It has been used before and luckily a paddle. The boat can only carry 2 persons. They discuss this. Can you help? Here are the rules. The Martians must never outnumber the humans. Of the 3 Martians, only 2 can row. One takes 8 minutes, the other 12 minutes. Both can make 3 trips each. Of the 3 humans, only 2 can row. One takes 10 minutes, the other 15 minutes. Both can make 2 trips each. Can they reach safety by noon if they start at 1000 hours? You have until the end of the countdown from 5 to pause the video and solve it. I named the Martians A, B and C and the humans X, Y and Z and summarised the rules, making a paper copy for reference. To keep track, I record their positions throughout, really to ensure the Martians never outnumber the humans at any time. The time is 1000 hours. A and C get into the boat. A will row, hence the red. Trip 1. A rows to the right bank, taking 8 minutes, and C gets out of the boat. Trip 2. A rows back to the left bank, another 8 minutes. A gets out of the boat. B and Z get into the boat. B will row, hence the red. Trip 3. B rows to the right bank and Z gets out, taking 12 minutes. Trip 4. B rows back to the left bank, another 12 minutes. B gets out of the boat. X and Y get into the boat. Y will row, hence the red. Trip 5. Y rows to the right bank, taking 15 minutes, and then gets out of the boat. Trip 6. X rows back to the left bank, taking 10 minutes. B gets into the boat. X will row, hence the red. Trip 7. X rows to the right bank, taking 10 minutes. X gets out of the boat. Trip 8. B rows back to the left bank, taking 12 minutes. A gets into the boat. Trip 9. A rows to the right bank, taking 8 minutes. They are now all on the right bank, and the storm is ever closer. They have 25 minutes to reach the escape capsule. Better run fast. It took them 1 hour and 35 minutes to cross the river. They completed it in 9 trips. There are other solutions. Could you complete it more quickly and in fewer trips?